Hey, good morning. Today we are in Morris Township, New Jersey. We're going to do a little waterfall renovation job. We're going to take out this existing waterfall filter which is actually leaking. It's got a crack in it, and I'll show you in the back here. The liner's actually down, and see the plumbing is kind of tucked underneath here. It's not working super great. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this out. We're going to take apart just the front of the waterfall, and then we're going to put a new biofalls in it and rebuild the waterfall. And here we go, newly renovated little waterfall section. Put an Aquascape Microfalls in there. They don't all have to be over the top. Nice little job like this fits perfectly in this backyard. No more leaks and looking great.